Struggling with nerve pain? It can feel overwhelming, whether it's a constant tingling, burning sensation, or sharp, debilitating discomfort. But what if there was a natural solution that could offer real relief and support your nerve health long-term? Introducing Nerve Recovery Max, an advanced nerve support formula specifically designed to optimize healthy nerve function and alleviate discomfort. In today's video, we're diving into what makes this supplement so effective and how it could help you find lasting relief from nerve pain. This is not just another quick fix supplement. Manufactured in a state-of-the-art U.S. facility that adheres to good manufacturing practices, this formula contains a unique blend of essential nutrients, antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, all aimed at supporting nerve health and regeneration. Whether you're dealing with nerve discomfort from a sedentary lifestyle, aging, or neuropathy, this powerful supplement focuses on both immediate relief and long-term nerve health. So, does it really work? Let's break down the science behind the key ingredients that make this supplement stand out. Benfotiamine, a fat-soluble form of vitamin B1, helps prevent oxidative stress and supports nerve regeneration. Alpha-lipoic acid, a powerful antioxidant, combats inflammation and enhances nerve repair. Acetyl L-carnitine regenerates damaged nerves and improves energy production in nerve cells. Ashwagandha reduces stress and inflammation, promoting a calm, balanced system ideal for healing. Turmeric, with its active compound curcumin, protects nerves and reduces pain by modulating pain pathways. Many users have experienced significant improvements in mobility, reduced pain, and enhanced quality of life after incorporating Nerve Recovery Max into their daily routine.
I struggled with nerve pain for years, but after taking Nerve Recovery Max, I finally feel relief. I can move more freely, and the pain is much more manageable.
Thanks to Nerve Recovery Max, I feel like I have my life back. The discomfort from my neuropathy has drastically decreased, and I've regained my energy.
Beyond just pain relief, Nerve Recovery Max promotes nerve regeneration, enhances overall well-being, and helps you manage stress, which often worsens nerve discomfort. By addressing both the physical and emotional aspects of nerve pain, Nerve Recovery Max offers a holistic approach to health. When combined with a healthy diet and regular exercise, the results can be even more transformative. Worried about side effects? Most users experience no issues, but it's always important to consult your healthcare professional if you're on medication or have pre-existing conditions. Ready to take the next step in your journey to nerve pain relief? You can try this supplement risk-free with their 180-day money-back guarantee. Take control of your nerve health today. Order now and experience the benefits for yourself. Click the link below to order your supply of Nerve Recovery Max. Don't let nerve pain control your life any longer. Start your journey to relief now. Your nerve health matters, and Nerve Recovery Max is here to help you every step of the way.